bootcamp video series. My name is Al-Taslim. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss about sales reporting, and once when you pick here reporting under sales, you can see about like this, and it's a different type of charts you can explore from here. I'm going to create a table wise, and here let me close. Okay, you can expand by row wise and column wise. If I click here and I click on customer, and here in row wise, if I choose, let's say, day, okay, here we open a customer like a company, Azure Interior, and all these companies we opened from here. Even inside this company, I can open some more thing like price list, products. If I click in products, now later the products of this company is appear, and here the day wise report appear in rows. If you are an accountant, you can understand better than me, because I'm not a accountant, I'm a programmer and ERP developer. So what report you need, you can make from here as per your requirement. And if I open from here, say products, and in column wise, if I open, say, the customers, here also you can make the total, the quantity of invoiced, and gross rate, discount, anything you want to click on total. Now the report is in front of us. Let's say this product and a company, this one, and here's a total of it's a completely total for this company, and Azure Interior, the sum is here, not coming the bottom, it's coming here in the top in front of total. And also here is this company and another company, here we have 1 2 3 4 7 companies and their product selling data by row wise and column wise. So here all total of untext, and here is a total. So this report, if you want to make in a favorite, you can make from here favorite, and save current search, and here if I enter the name, testing report, and use by default. If I click this one and if I save, now this report is saved. Now I'm going to close, and let's say reload our browser. By default, this testing report will be appear. Now the testing report is here, which we created. So you can create any kind of report from here in sales reports, related sales, and you can make it a favorite, or even you can make here more filter, order by date wise, and sales order by quotations, and also you can make here a grouping by product wise and customer wise, sales team by salesperson's status, okay, it's in sale order quotation and company wise. So very detailed reports are available in odoo. So this is reporting of sales. So see you in next video tutorial, and in next video tutorial we'll go to purchase, point of sale we will discuss later, and the most important configuration for all modules like sales, purchase, inventory, accounting we will discuss at the last, and we see what is the purposes, but some options which is useful, and we need to create like a quotation template, sales team, same time with a video I'm showing to you. So thank you so much.